Hi everyone and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So we do have this really tiny mini mega event I want to talk about. Now I did do an entire video about some really good Kroger deals going on right now you don't want to miss. So if you click the little eye in the top right corner or wait till the end screen, you can see that. But this is just a video of all the participating items in this little mega event. It's mainly just household products. You can, I just wanted to put it out there so you can see the deals, see what's on it and everything. So yeah, let's just dive right in and do that.